Thanks for joining Cooking with Katie. I am going to show our Prep Pro Chef's knife. It is ceramic. It's very sharp, but it is still fragile, so it's perfect for slicing a tomato, and I'm using our cutting mats. And let me back this up a little so you can see it while I'm watching my fingers, very important, but you don't even have to use much force. It just glides through and slices the tomatoes just perfectly, like butter. So I highly recommend this, and again, always watch your fingers, not the camera when you're doing that. I'm also going to do an avocado, which feels a little bit ripe. It has to be kind of this darker evergreen color. It should be squish, but not like you're gonna stick your thumb through it. Soft. And actually, I'm gonna grab a little bit better one. That one is soft, but not quite as soft, but it should have a little give to it. Also, when you pop the little nubbin off, it should still be like a bright neon looking green inside. Now, again, watching your fingers, cut it the long way. And since there is that pit in the middle, you just kind of go around it and twist it off. Just perfect. I love it when that happens. And this is a tick-tock trick I learned, that if it is a good avocado, you push on the back side, and instead of digging at it with a pit, this one needs just a little assistance. It pops right out. And it's pretty clean too. Like, there's just a little bit of flesh on it. And again, watching your fingers, I like to I'm making slices for a sandwich here. So, yep, let's watch our fingers, Katrina Lynn. Hold on. Let's do that. Perfect. And another trick, take a big spoon and just kind of put it right at the edge of the avocado and scoop it all the way around, so you get all of that nice fruit or flesh out of there and not the shell. So clean slices. Pretty empty out of there. Just remember to take out your little nubbin, and there you have it. Super sharp, but perfect for all your slices. Thanks for watching.